Hi there, students. Feckless. Feckless is an adjective, and fecklessly is its corresponding adverb. Feckless means irresponsible and careless, with no strength of character. He was a feckless young man who had inherited a lot of money. So, feckless, useless, worthless, incompetent, inefficient, inept. Man's feckless attitude to our environment will have very serious consequences. Somebody who's feckless couldn't care less. So we can also use feckless meaning without the courage, lacking the courage to act in a meaningful way. I think this applies very well to politicians. A feckless politician is afraid to agree with any policy that may cause him to lose votes. So he's not brave enough to do what needs to be done because there are some people that will disagree with him and not vote for him. We can use feckless to mean incompetent and ineffectual. He made a feckless attempt to resolve the problem. Okay, so an incompetent, useless attempt. His feckless attitude, I couldn't care. His feckless attitude in the exam meant he made many careless and stupid mistakes. A feckless ne'er-do-well cares about little except his own pleasure. The workers are very feckless about the safety procedures, and we need to increase their compliance. We need to make them care about safety. Some people fecklessly refuse to wear face masks. They're irresponsible. They don't care. He fecklessly disregarded the doctor's recommendations. So somebody who's feckless, irresponsible and careless. Feckless can also mean incompetent and ineffectual, a feckless attempt. And feckless, you just don't care. Or feckless, not being brave enough to do what you think should be done because you fear disapproval. Okay, now next question, formality. This word feckless sounds very literary. I'd give it something like a 7.5 to an 8 in formality. So it's high up the formality scale. Don't use it in an informal conversation. Irresponsible, doesn't care, I think would be better for your informal conversation. And the next question, the origin. The origin is quite interesting. Apparently it's of Scottish origin. So you know the word effect. And from that we could have effectless. Well, this has transformed from effectless, not having an effect, to feckless. Yeah? Ineffectual, not effective, not working. And that's where it comes from. So that will probably help you remember it. So feckless, careless, irresponsible, not feeling involved in something and not caring at all about it. So there you go. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Feckless, fecklessly.